In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my PayPal ID. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where your PayPal merchant ID is located and how to copy it whenever you need it. For example, when setting up payments on a website or sharing it with a business partner. First, open your web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Make sure you're on the real PayPal site and then log into your account with your usual details. Once you're logged in, you should land on your main account overview page, sometimes called the PayPal dashboard. This is where you can see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to different tools. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings button. It's usually right next to the logout option. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open your account settings, where you can manage things like your profile, security, and various account preferences. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to a page with several sections and tabs. Here, you want to focus on the area that relates to your account details. Depending on your layout, this might be under a heading like Account or Account Options. Take a moment to scan the screen. You're looking for the section that deals with your account type and identifiers used for business or payments. Within this account options area, you should see an item labeled Merchant ID. This is what we're looking for. Your PayPal Merchant ID is a unique identifier linked to your account. It's often used in integrations or when you don't want to share your email address publicly. Right below the Merchant ID label, you'll see a long string of letters and numbers. That is your PayPal ID. To use it, you can highlight it with your mouse, right-click, and choose Copy, or use your keyboard shortcuts to copy it. You can then paste it into whatever form, website, or document requires your PayPal merchant ID. If you ever misplace it or forget where it is, just repeat these same steps. Sign in, click the gear icon in the top right, go to your account options, and look for the merchant ID field.